Hey guys, it's Corey the car guy from Foulem Automotive. So I had to do a short video because I'm running out of space on my phone. So today I just found this one over here. And today I'm at Northway Chrysler in New Liskeard, Ontario. And this afternoon we're going to be doing a full in-depth walk around look, or the short video of this 2010 Chevrolet Cobalt. I do have a video of 2010, it was a black 2010 Chevrolet Cobalt LT, I believe, so I'm going to be getting that on my YouTube channel pretty soon. So this afternoon I'm going to be doing a full in-depth walk around of the Cobalt. I'm also going to start the engine and show the few features in the inside and as well as the outside of the car. And so, without any further ado, let's go and start it up. Let it run. It's probably this button. There we go. So as you can see, it doesn't have a key fob. This is a remote starter. It says Pro Start on there. It doesn't unlock the door, so we'll have to use this one. White exterior with gray interior. And over here, you do have your manual windows. Crank windows, soft to the touch over here. Pretty cool. So we'll step inside over here. And as you can see, this car has about 101,135 kilometers on it. You know, which is really nothing for a 7-year-old car. It's not bad for a 2010. Yeah. Or I should say, it's not bad for a 2010. I've never seen kilometers like that in for a 7-year-old car. So we're gonna take the key, and then we'll start it up. Starts right up. You do have your 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. You know, steering wheel so fluid, very easy to turn. Automatic transmission on the column. Low gear selection. E-brake down there. So we're going to go ahead and turn on the automatic lights. Hazards. Manual windows. Let's go check out the exterior. Now we'll check out the motor. As you can see, this has got the 2.2 liter Ecotec 4-cylinder. This is one of those nicest 2.2 liter engines. The 2.2 liter engine came from a 1980s Dodge Aries K car, and Pontiac Sunfire, and the Chevy Cavalier. Yeah, the 2.2 engines came from a 1980s Dodge Aries K car my grandma has. She had an 88 Dodge Aries K car, and the 2.2 engine came from you know, the Pontiac Sunfire and the Chevy Cavalier. Or 90s or 80s Chevrolet Cavalier. And this is the one the Chevrolet Cobalt right here has, the 2.2 liter. Yeah. So we're gonna shut her up. Alright. AC over here, climate controls.
Now this update from the Canadian press. An official in Spain's Catalonia region.
Practice and design, spin and polish.
I of 20. Weather and news on demand anytime at kissnorthbay.com.
In the flesh, I cut my teeth on a
20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. that sounds good.
Un homme a été arrêté en lien avec cette attaque. Des quoi?
Écoute, on fait ça.
To the party, and everyone who knows us knows.
In this investigations are protected under the authority of the Youth Criminal Justice Act, and Smith says they
It does
will
have
not
a
be
CD
released.
player here.
Thousands of municipal representatives from across the province descended on the nation's capital earlier this week to meet with federal, provincial.
Yeah. Yeah, you can hear that sound from that 2.2 Ecotech. So we'll shut her down. And we'll check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? You do have your passenger side over here. Oh, sorry. Oops. There we go. You do have your passenger side over here. Glove box. Airbag covers over here. Yeah, it's pretty cool for a 2010 model, you know. Yeah. Pretty cool. And now we'll check out the trunk. There we go. You do have your cargo space in the back of the 2010 Cobalt. Over here. Back seat area. Oops. Sorry about that. There we go. Back seat over here. It's pretty cool for a 2010. Yeah. Nice. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed my review on the 2010 Chevrolet Cobalt. Be sure to stay tuned next time for more videos just like this. Leave a like, subscribe, favorite, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Take care.